Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Elementor for brand style guides, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Elementor for brand style guides, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Elementor section on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to access the Elementor configuration options. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Scroll down to locate the Brand Style Guide section. If you haven't yet created a style guide, you will see a prompt to do so. Proceed by clicking on Create New Style Guide. Fill in the necessary details for your brand style guide. Make sure to include the primary colors, typography styles, and logo details. Once you've input all the required information, click on the Save button. Now, return to the Integrations tab within Elementor Settings. Here, you will see an option to authorize your brand style guide. Click the Authorize button to proceed with the authorization process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log in to your brand account. Enter your login credentials and grant the necessary permissions. After successful authorization, you will receive a confirmation message. Now your Elementor is fully authorized to use the brand style guide. You can easily access your style guide from the Elementor editor. Simply open a new or existing page in Elementor. Then, click on the Styles tab in the panel on the left. Here, you will see your authorized brand style guide available for selection. Choose the desired elements from your style guide to apply them to your project. Customize further as needed to fit your design goals. Your Elementor is now set up and ready to maintain brand consistency across your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.